Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me on the channel today. As we can see, we are taking a quick look here at XRP on the daily time frame. Please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel as always. Really, as we can see, as I boiled down in the last video, this is just a really simple break and retest of this key resistance in my opinion. You can see obviously we've had this resistance pretty much this entirety of this previous bear market. You can see here for XRP, obviously we had that big move to the upside with the announcement that the case was essentially going to be won by Ripple Labs. Big bullish news for XRP, the huge pump followed by the massive sell-off and dump back down to support. Massive retest in this area of that break, and you can see it's just really simple, isn't it? Retest, and now that we've finally exhausted all those sellers, we finally broke up and got above this key level of previous support in the bull market, resistance in the bear market, and now we are back up cleanly above that resistance here in this bull market, looking to head up past these Fibonacci levels. The 038 here being clearly smashed, now heading up to that 050 as you can see here. Very clear, solid area of resistance for the next port of call at 75 cents. But right now XRP looking great at around 69 cents. Of course it is. You can see very clearly on the chart that this is just not that complicated, is it? It's just a break, back test and continuation, and heading into a potential next bull market you would expect upside for XRP. You can see this overarching resistance from the all-time high back here and here, also here, the next level that does need to be tested in my opinion for a true run to the upside for XRP over the next few years at 121 cents. Although by the time we get there it could well be down to around 110, 115 depending on how far down, how long this does take. But I do think going into, you know, halfway through 2024 we're going to be getting up towards this $1 level for XRP and beyond going into the next bull market. And then obviously you can see very clearly the extensions here for XRP looking very promising indeed. In the next bull market I am predicting probably $10 plus for XRP, which is essentially, you know, what we're looking at, 15x from the current price. Very nice, but obviously the market cap quite prohibitive of huge moves to the upside. But overall very bullish on XRP. I do think it's going to be a strong contender for a good run from one of the larger cryptos in the market. And overall, just feeling very confident and bullish on it, especially with that regulatory clarity that it does have now. So, as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.